All right, good morning. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going over lesson 5. Our, our objective today is to connect visual models and the distributive property to partial products of the standard algorithm without renaming. Okay, so what it means is it wants us to focus on creating a visual model to represent the algorithm. So first we're going to create visual models. I'll kind of highlight this here, visual models, to show how we could do it using mental math. So here we are. Let me get out my cursor. All right. So here it says, draw an area model and then solve using the standard algorithm. Use arrows to match the partial products from the area model to the partial products of the algorithm. Okay. So our first step here is it wants us to draw an area model. So an area model, if you guys don't remember, we're going to start off like this. So our number is 34 and we have 21. Okay, so in order to do this in an easier and simpler way, it's trying to get us to think, what if I change this 21 into a 20 and break off that 1? Okay, so we have 20 and then we still have that 1 there. All right, so then we would do 1 times 34, which would give us 34 here. And then we do 20 times 34. Okay, which if you guys can't think of this in your head like some, it's either 34 times 2 or 34 plus 34. That's how you can think of it, okay? So if you were to do that, you would get 68. But are we done? No, this is not our answer. Don't forget that 0. We need to tack on 1 0 because there's 1 right here. There's 1 0 right there. Okay, and then it wants you to think, okay, so here is our, I'm going to move, let me zoom out a little. Okay, there we go. All right, so it's wanting us to think here, like, oh, with the standard algorithm, we're over here now. So here's the standard algorithm. Okay, so it says then solve using the standard algorithm. So that's our next step. Okay, so let's do this. We do 1 times 34 is 34. Looky there. Okay, and then you do 2. First, you do a 0 for the placeholder here. Then you do 2 times 4, 8, and 2 times 6. 2 times 3, which is 6. Sorry, my head automatically answered that one there. And then you add these together to get your answer. But look at that. There's that 680. Okay, so 8 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 1 is 7, 714. So you can even come over here and add these together, and it will get you the exact same answer, okay? So it said use areas to match, and you can see I drew my areas to show my numbers here. All right, so use the areas to match the partial products from the area model to the partial products of the algorithm. This, let me change my color here. This is an algorithm, if you guys have forgotten. This is an algorithm. And this over here is an area model.